snack box. So I will share the details of the box, little information about Secret Snacks. Let's go over the details of the box here. I'm going to zoom in so you can look at all the goodies. Okay. Some raspberry cookies, Chips Ahoy, snack bar, cocoa treats, couple Rice Krispie treats here. I see 3. I'm going to grab all of them here. Oh, this one is with marshmallows, it say. So that's different. Oh no, they're all crispy marshmallow squares. Okay. Okay. Another one here in the back. Goldfish. Have a Kind bar. Pop-Tarts. The delicious pretzel crisp. Okay. Pita Thins, 5 cheese. That looks yummy. And the date, I'll zoom in, December the 15th, 2020. All of our childhood favorites, Cracker Jack is 2 of those. Everyone loves the prize inside. A couple of Oreos I see here. Put those right here. It's about 3 of them. And then another Oreo mini. We have some M&M cookies, Keebler. Oh, okay. Ritz Stitch cheese. Yummy to go peanut butter. We can use with carrots, celery, apples. Good to take to work. Okay. Annie's Buddy Grams I see here. Let me zoom in. I'm sorry, it's a little bit out of focus. That's different. Pretzel Goldfish. Okay, we have some chocolate flavored snacks here. That looks different and interesting. I see a couple of these Mott's fruit snacks. Everyone's favorite, again, childhood favorites, crackers, animal crackers. Let's see, strawberry pop crisp. We have 2 of those. Let's see here. Oh, another Kind bar. Peanuts. Another Chewy bar. We have, what is this? Creamy, crispy wafer bars, peanut butter chocolate. Let's take a look. Nutri-Grain bar. What's this? Apple cinnamon. Protein bar. Some more peanuts. Hello Panda chocolate. Never heard of these before, so I'll definitely try them out. I'll zoom in with the date on this one. 2021 by June. Another one here. The date. Still June 2021. We have some cookies. Another Kind bar. Oreo. Some Scooby snacks. Honey Teddy Grams. Circus animal crackers. Zoom in right there so you guys can see the date again. With icing on it. These should be delicious. We have strawberry blast. Nutri-Grain kids. I never tried this before. It's different. Munchie crackers. We have it in peanut butter. 2 of those. Another Nutri-Grain kids. Okay. This is the box. This is for the month of September. Move it around so you can see all of the snacks again. Okay, I just wanted to log on and share my box so everyone can see the details. I'm excited for next month. Hopefully I'll get something different and not the same items. Maybe some chips or something like that. This box right here is mostly like delicious sweets, crackers, a lot of Nutri-Grain bars. So I'm excited to see what we will have next month. Okay, have a great day.